Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. You won't be sorry. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. Keep the thumbs up coming in the comments. It really does make my day. I have got a brand new split cup just off the printer. This is my second split cup that my wonderful man Greg has made me. It says Sandra Sensations on it. Not sure with the glare if you can see it, but I just love it. This one is a 4-compartment split cup. Probably does about 12 to 14 ounces of paint in there. I'm going to give my second split cup painting a whirl. My first one was, the design was kind of cool, but the colors I picked, not so great. But this time we're going to pick better colors. Okay, I've got a 12 by 12 canvas ready to go in front of me. White acrylic's already down. My acrylic paints are mixed 40% acrylic paint to 60% Floetrol. No water, no silicone. Let's get started here. I'm just going to use my torch and blow out some of the bubbles. Now, some of the tools that you see me use, I buy most of my stuff from Amazon. So if you want to check out my links in the description, by all means, it'll show you all the stuff I'm using. If you order from Amazon through my link, I'll get a tiny commission on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. This, however, is not from Amazon. This is from a 3D printer. Can't buy these yourselves. This is just a special one for me. And for my friends that paint pour and you're watching my videos, if you happen to maybe want one with your name on it, yeah, I might be able to work out something. You'll have to get a hold of me through Facebook or comment on the video, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, I'm going to do Payne's Gray first. Now, these colors will come up on a picture just in a matter of seconds. Everything that I'm using for colors will come up. Okay, first color going in, I know is Payne's Gray. I'm not sure how much of this I have left mixed, but I'm just going to pour it in this one side. And we'll see what else I add to that. Okay, then I've got my, I think it's called Pale Mauve from Arteza. I'm not positive, but I believe it is. It's going in. Now this is a small canvas. I'm not sure if I'm going to fill this all the way up because that seems like it would be a lot of paint. We'll see. Then I got my gold. And then I've got some metallic amethyst deco art. That's going in. Now, I'm not sure if it's showing on the side camera or the front. Sorry if I'm not giving you guys a good view. I'm not used to having a split cup in my hand. Guess I should be doing it here, hey? Sorry, you guys. Getting the last drops of that out. Okay. Now I've also got my Treasures Gold Purple Topaz. It's metallic. I'm going to add that in there. And I think I'm going to add it on top of my gold. Oop. Hold on, I'm going to take the lid off. I want to see exactly what's going in here. There we go. Okay. Now I think I'm going to add some of my beige as well. I'm going to put it on top of the Payne's Gray and on top of the amethyst. There we go. I think that's lots of paint. I don't know, my gut says add some more topaz, so I'm going to do it just on this side, just to even it out a little bit. almost out of paint anyhow. There we go. Okay. My second attempt at the split cup. Let's see how we do. Now I do have it on the Lazy Susan, so hopefully I can spin it and get a cool design. I'm just going to start in the center. So I'm basically just doing a straight pour and then just turning it on the Lazy Susan as I go here. Feel like I need more color in the center here, so just gonna do that. Come back out. It's funny to watch how these colors come out of this. Leave these cool patterns. Look how much paint is in there. Definitely don't have my Lazy Susan evened out. Have to fix that. Now I think this is going to be a wrecked split cup pour because my gut is telling me to draw some lines in this. Okay, I'm going right to the middle just because there was so much of the topaz that came out with nothing else. And again, second attempt. This is where you work out all your kinks and figure it all out. Okay. Put that aside. I'm definitely going to give it a little bit of a wreck here before I spin it. So I think I'm just going to start in my colors. Stop there. And then I'm going to go right about here. I'll do a little bit more here. That's looking pretty cool. What do you think? Is that enough? I'm just going to do a little bit here. I'm going to stop there. Where else looks like it needs some right here. Right here. Okay. Now let's give this a spin. Let me just tilt it a tiny bit while it's here. Slowly. Just to try and get it centered a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to give her a spin. Sorry, you're going to get a little bit dizzy here. Bear with me. Woo, that was a big dump. Could definitely use some muscles on this spin. And I have a feeling I'm not even going to want to mess with this anymore because the design's coming out and looks pretty awesome. Okay, slowing down. Love all the purples. And the gold, of course, is going to, purple and gold in there, both are going to be shiny metallic colors. Okay, now that it's slowing down, I'm going to give this guy a little bit of a torch and see if I want to add any details to it. Okay, I'm just going to stop it. Oh, this purple topaz is just beautiful in this painting. It's the lighter purple you see, but the sparkle I see right now is just wow. When this dries, okay. Is there anything I want to do to this painting? We'll let those cells form up a bit. Now all the cell action that's happening, that's just from the Floetrol that's in the paint. There's no silicone in here at all. And I think I might want to do a little bit. I think I'll take my little stylus and just take a look and see as these cells pop up. I'm just going to draw a couple of lines through some of the cells that I see, just to kind of connect them a little bit. This is going to be so unique to look at when it's all dry. Greg always teases me when I do this. He says, "You're always nitpicking your paintings." I'm not really nitpicking them. I'm just adding some detail. Okay. And really, I'm just grabbing whatever catches my eye. Love it. Okay, I'm not messing with it anymore, you guys. I'll lift it up, give it a little tilt for you. See a couple of bubbles here. Hold on one sec. Okay. Just pull it off of here and give it a little tilt. There we go. When this guy dries, it's going to be beautiful. So it's official. I love my new split cup. Definitely lots more practice. I'll get lots better at it. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for sticking around. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and the notification bell right beside will let you know when I upload another video. It's free to do. No charge to subscribe or get notified. Again, thank you for visiting. Come back and watch another video. Thanks, everyone.